Hello guys, in this video we have check even and odd number using the ternary operator. First create a function even odd parameter. We have called the function as the argument. We have passed the argument 10. Now create a value in let I is equal to num I less than equal to num and I plus plus. Now console.log we have using the num I module 2 is equal to 0, then even or sorry, let's run. This is print is the even. We have passed the 11 is printing the odd number. Now we have passed the 3. 3 is a odd number. We have 3 is a odd number. 1 is also odd number. 1 is also odd number. 2 is a even number. And 12 is also even number. This is using the ternary operator. Thanks guys.